And here are the nominees for Wish Ballad Song of the Year.
Wish Ballad Song of the Year, 1111, Papel. Di ko masabi, Stay. Hanggang kailan, Darren Espanto. Salamat ika'y dumating, Angeline Quinto. The Boy Who Cried Wolf, Pablo.
And the winner of the Wish Song of the Year is Stella.
Good evening, everyone. To be honest po, kinakabahan pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. And this is my first time na mag-receive po ng award as a solo artist. Hanggang ngayon po, to be honest, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na nakakapag-release pa ako ng song. But with this, isa po itong patunay na marami po talaga nagtitiwala sa akin. Kaya maraming salamat po. Gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord sa pagbigay po sa akin ng talent na meron ako ngayon. Sa aking friends, families, of course, Warner Music Philippines. Thank you so much for believing me. Sa group ko, SB19, 1C Entertainment, thank you so much. Sa 18 po, and sa mga... to all my beloved berries, thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you so much for supporting me. Hindi ko man po mapapangako na kaya ko pong gampanan ng mga bagay na naiisip niyo pa sa akin, pero isa lang po mapapangako ko. Patuloy ko pong aalagaan yung boses ko para marinig niyo po ako hanggang gusto niyo po. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Wish. I love you. Keep on wishing!
Congratulations, Steph. You will also take home a cash prize worth 25,000 pesos. 100,000 pesos will be given to Center for Excellence in Special Education Foundation Incorporated, courtesy of Hyundai.
And that's a wrap for our song categories. Congratulations, everyone.
A huge round of applause for all our song category winners tonight. Looking forward to another year filled with great OPM hits.
Yes, and
Still,
also...
alam mo, pag tumakbo siya ng presidente, parang gusto siya iboto, no? Sa outfit niya today.
Ang pogi na dyan, actually.
Oo.
Nagpa-picture na.
Naka-picture ka na.
Pero ang grabe, no? Nasa ballad category na siya. I did see him, a national artist, Mr. Ryan Tayabyab's concert, which I was also a part of. And he has amazing vocals. So he is like... Parang yung SB19 boys, no? Lahat ng mga genre talagang pinupuntahan na nila. No?
And very successful. And I was here, right there, sitting there, nung kumanta siya ng All By Myself ng David Foster. Really?
Oh, that concert!
Right there. So, wait, where's my phone?
You will be wowed. But going back to the songs, of course, we are also looking forward to hearing those songs on the Wish Bus. Kailangan may Wish-clusive yan.
Definitely.
Yes.
And it's always a great experience again pag nandun ka sa Wish Bus, whether you're inside or outside, because you can easily connect with the artist.
Correct.
Paglabas mo, nandun na.
Yes. And gusto ko lang mag-congratulate kasi nandito kasama natin tonight, Mr. Noel Cabangon. Congratulations, Sir Noel Cabangon. And of
Idol.
course, joined by his son, Gab.
Golf soon, Sir Noel. Golf soon. Ikaw ang manlilibre kasi po ikaw ang nanalo. And Gab,